Hello our friend! Today let's unpack this Brennenstuhl 10w LED floodlight together and let's share our first impressions. Time to see what information we can find on the package. As you can see, this Brennenstuhl floodlight provides up to 1000 lumen of light and a runtime of up to 6 hours at 50% power. It has an IP54 protection code, which means it is thus safe and will not be harmed by splash of water. It can be charged with a USB charger and has a built-in lithium-ion battery. As a reminder, this floodlight costs around $50 and comes with a storage case. It can be charged with any phone charger and has a comfortable handle. This floodlight is equipped with a single LED chip which has a power of 10 watts and the light is a cool white 6500 degrees Kelvin. That should be the most important thing we see on the packaging. Time to open it up and see what it looks like in real life. The kit comes with a micro USB charging cable. It's a pity that it's micro USB, but the cable is long enough. You can also use a phone charger for charging. Here's the Brennenstuhl floodlight itself. It's kind of heavy. It feels good. It's made of some metal. You can feel it. On the top side, of course, is the brand name. On the corners of the body, there's a kind of rubber or soft plastic, so that it doesn't get knocked around and holds better. On the back, there are floodlight technical data. Above is a hermetically sealed cover where you can see 4 LED symbols for battery capacity indication. USB socket so that this floodlight can be used as power bank. Yes, floodlight is a power bank, and below is a micro USB input for charging. On the left is the on and off button which also selects 100 or 50% power. This floodlight is also equipped with a handle stand. With this floodlight you can also defend in the dark street, because it is made of metal. This handle can also be used as a tripod, making it easy to put the light down. That's all that comes with this floodlight. First impressions are good, the build quality is good, and the fact that there is a built-in power bank, a handy pouch, also where to store it so as not to scratch the lens when throwing it in a car or a toolbox. They also have a floodlight that you use. Feel free to share in the comments which one you have. Thanks for watching, bye.